Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And remember to tell your friends and loved ones about Willoz Creations YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I made this Father's Day card. So I made two similar cards to this one and I will be showing you guys the finished product, how they look. So guys, you can always add chocolate to this card as well. As you all can see, this chocolate was a bit too thick. You will need to go for the thinner one so that the card can close properly. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into this video. So guys, these are the other two cards that I told you guys I made earlier, similar to the one I made in this video. Actually, they are all the same, just different colors. So this was the one I posted earlier on my channel. So if you guys haven't seen that video as yet, you guys can go ahead and watch it. I did not add the happy birthday on the ones I did in this video because I did not know the occasion that I'm going to use it for. So I just leave it blank until I get them to sell. So guys, if you're interested in purchasing cards, I will leave the link in the description box for you guys.